Hello, I'm Steve Bustin of Get Your Voice Heard. Thanks for joining me. If you're looking for help with a speech, presentation, pitch, media interview, messaging, any form of communications, I'm here to help. I often say that I deal in confidence. Yes, I can teach you skills, but what I want to do is give you the confidence to be able to communicate your message to the right people in the right way, at the right time, and to the right effect. Because every time you stand up in public to speak, or you give a media interview, or you write something, or you talk to your team, it's got to hit home and have the effect you want. What's your call to action? What do you want people to do as a result of what you've just told them? If you need help developing content, developing messaging, or standing up in front of an audience of 3 or 4, or an audience of 3 or 4,000, give me a shout. I work one-to-one, I work with small groups, and I speak to conferences and larger events to help people communicate better. Because to my mind, communication is at the heart of making a business work, it's at the heart of making interpersonal relationships work, and actually, it's at the heart of making life work. So if you need help with communication, presentation, speech, media interview, whatever it is, give me a shout. I'd be very happy to help. I'll look forward to speaking to you soon.